How to fix Valorant uh, update stack problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click on Valorant and then click properties. Now once you're here, go to compatibility and then enable those two options and then click apply and now OK. And after that type here game mode. Now just enable game mode and go to Xbox game bar and disable it, and after doing that, open task manager and scroll down. Wait, you will find it like that. First click memory and then scroll down until you find Riot Vanguard or Riot games and or Valorant. Just you will see the Valorant icon or something like that, and then just close it. Let's say that this is Valorant, right click and click in task, and that's it. And now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.